Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Ang karamihan kapag dinescribe mo yung Philippine politics, it's almost the same thing. Pero ang pag-asa, yung mga bagong henerasyon at mga bagong katulad mo, no? At yung mga bagong issue na nagbibigay ng bagong kompleksyon sa sitwasyon.
Yes, and also Kainaro, there's a lot of people now are saying na ang magmula nung nagsimulang claim or hindi naman mag-claim pero mag-announce ng presidency si VP Sara, a lot of people is clamoring about the politics was changed into being volatile, sobrang risky, and somewhat entertaining. Sa nakikita nyo pong pag-shift ng sabihin na natin some of the people's mindset sa ating setup sa politics, ito ba'y may pagkakaiba ng type of democracy kumpara doon sa democracy na nakuha natin from the very start that we had people power? Diba? We're talking about people in a democratic country like what we have.
Almost the same kasi yung volatility, yung pagiging inconsistent at yung shift, no? Dati, nung panahon siguro, mas mahahaba ang pagitan ng mga pagpapalit, disposisyong politikal. Pero ngayon, mas mabibilis eh. It is always dictated by the political reality and events. Pero, yung response ng mga politiko, partido nila, ay immediately nagbibigay ng dagdag kulay, dagdag kompleksyon dun sa nandiyan ng reality. So yung pagiging predictable yung politika ng Pilipinas nandun, no? In terms of reacting to political reality or political situation. Pero yung basic description niya, ako parati kong tinitingnan na well, I might be lacking on expertise in terms of political analysis. O ang tingin ko sa akin lang naman, talagang primitibo pa, no? Primitive pa o bata pa. Hindi pa tayo nakakapagpalakas ng ng political base at political culture in such a way na talagang may pangarap, no? May mga prinsipyo na sinusunod. Hindi nakatali sa personalidad at posisyon lang. So, that's the kind of politics na meron. Malayo pa, no? Malayo pa yung tatahakin natin in terms of making our political parties or political sectors maging mature in terms of dealing with political issues. Ng halimbawa,
Correct.
impending impeachment will be so significant. Something that will affect yung darating na direksyon ng politika ng Pilipinas. Pangalawa, isa pang malaki yung ICC case, no? Na hindi lang lokal, kundi international din. Pangatlo, yung mainit ngayon na diskusyon ng the West Philippine Sea. Foreign policy question, foreign policy direction. And so far, di naman nabanggit ko nga, hindi ko binoto si PBBM, pero I'm quite satisfied on how PBBM is handling yung foreign policies na especially with regards to the West Philippine Sea.